डोरेमोन और डोरेमोन के गैजेट्स।
उसमें पूरा सेट है। ये देखिए, नोबिता भी है, शिजुका है, सुनियो है, जियान है।
वाओ, so Doraemon lovers, please do come here.
Yes, please do that. Pokemon themed keychains,
Wow.
which you see. अभी ये जैसे dog over. Oh my God. Look at this. आप इसको, yeah.
Wow, so cute.
Very unique gift item.
And flower.
Yes, it is. Look at this one.
So cute.
So ये सब छोटे 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 गिफ्ट आइटम्स हैं।
Panda.
Panda, definitely. And do you know very good thing about these products?
Batman.
Yes, this is a Batman keychain. You see this lock over here? You just have to remove this lock. Oh, that's fine.
Oh wow.
It's a functional pocket watch. Batman and pocket watch. उसमें भी मेरा collection है हमारे पास.
What's the price of this?
So this one on store price is 230 rupees. Online price is 349.
230.
230
में you can watch.
A functional pocket watch, a keychain. Yes. उसमें आपको जितनी डिजाइन चाहिए अवेलेबल
पर
है।
सबसे बेस्ट तो यही है।
Batman is evergreen. Yeah.
Very nice.
So Panda,
Yeah.
Shinchan, you know something,
Unicorn.
unicorn, an elephant. You see these?
Nice.
With Shiro. So हमारे पास अब इसमें कलेक्शन भी है।
Powerpuff Girls.
पॉप ऑफ गर्ल्स तो 90s के कार्टून है जो
हाँ,
बहुत पॉप ऑफ
actually.
गर्ल्स हो गए, पोकेमोन हो गए, बहुत सॉलिड है वो प्रोडक्ट्स।
What amazing. I just love your store.
I'm grateful, yeah, and please do visit me next time as
Minions.
well.
How can we forget Minions?
You can never. Minions.
See Minions. Ta-da!
Captain America,
Captain America,
Deadpool,
Batman.
Batman, Joker.
Tom and Jerry.
Yes, Tom and Jerry. There it is. And
Yeah,
Jerry.
Jerry. Yeah, so amazing.
Are you into Tweety?
Yeah.
Are you a Tweety fan too?
Yeah.
See?
Tweety.
So basically, Farin, the idea is कि आपको जो thing पसंद है,
हाँ.
उसके हिसाब से कुछ ना कुछ तो मिलेगा. You know, something or the other you will get over it,
Definitely.
without a doubt in it.
Definitely. And Tweety and Pooh. These were the two characters which I used to draw in my
School days.
school days.
Yes.
Pooh and Tweety. These are the most easiest animated
Characters.
like characters you can draw.
And they are very cute as well.
Yeah.
It's okay, I'll fix it for you, no problem in that. So yeah,
Now I'm
that's
really confused what to buy and what not to buy from here. So definitely I am going to gift Chandan and I'm going to buy that pen for myself.
definitely.
And rest I'm confused what to buy and what not to buy. Amazing shop. Done. And ऊपर वो सारे showpiece, Deadpool, Spider-Man, Joker.
Have you seen this one?
Which one? Mahatma Gandhi.
Yes.
महात्मा गांधी की मूंछ ब्लैक कैसी?
And wearing
Very
glasses.
rare. Yeah, and wearing glasses.
Now, for example, take a look at this Venom figure. Now, ये हमारे बहुत expensive but elegant products हैं. You know that is why they are popular. अभी अगर आप इनकी डिटेलिंग देखिए, अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट लगता है, you know, so they are very good. ऐसे इनकी जबान देखिए ना कैसे लगा के रखे इन्होंने अंदर, with perfect solid detailing in it.
Actually.
बहुत सॉलिड है ये प्रोडक्ट्स, बहुत सुपर है। तो इसमें ये जितने भी है कैप्टन अमेरिका एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, वो सब अभी ये हमारा ऑन स्टोर प्राइस फॉर देम इज 6,000 to 7,000 रुपीज पर पीस। महात्मा गांधी बुरा लग रहा है बोलने के लिए, बट वी सेल हिम फॉर 450 to 500 पर पीस।
Oh.
यस,
So वो तो 5,000.
5,000, 6,000, 7,000, that depends on the range. ऑनलाइन प्राइस हमारा सबका 10,000 रुपीज है पर पीस, बिकॉज ये ऑफिशियल प्रोडक्ट्स है, मर्केंडाइज प्राइस।
And even you were saying about these, no?
Yes, I was going to show you that. So, for example, अभी आप देखो, this is a Doctor Strange keychain,
Wow.
which is a spin head.
Wow.
Yeah.
Superb.
So you know, people they want something to fidget with.
Strange, Doctor Strange.
Right. उनको कुछ चाहिए fidget करने के लिए, पूरा दिन खेलते रहने के लिए. You know, something in
Amazing.
hand. Best thing for them. एज अ मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट कितने डेडपूल फैंस भी है हमारे पास जिन्हें डेडपूल एंड बैक पे डेडपूल भी है, माइट एज वेल बेस्ट है उनके लिए। सो ये किचन्स तो हमारा पूरा यूनिक कॉन्सेप्ट ही है फ्रेम। ऐसे किचन्स आई कैन गारंटी आपको इतनी कलेक्शन कहीं और देखने
नहीं
मिलेगी।
Avengers
में
fan of Avengers.
पूरी डिजाइन है, यू कैन से आयरन मैन, कैप्टन अमेरिका, ग्रूट, लोकी, थॉर, व्हाटएवर डिजाइन यू वांट, थॉर एज वेल, यस, एंड थॉर का भी लेटेस्ट स्टॉर्म ब्रेकर। दिस इज द न्यूएस्ट वेपन दैट थॉर हैव।
Show this.
एंड इसमें भी मैं आपको एक चीज बताता हूँ। नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल यू टेक अ लुक एट दिस वन, ओके, you open this, do you know what is this? Okay, you see right here?
Wow.
Yes, it's a spin head. It's a Thor spin head too. And basic kitchen जो आते हैं Thor के वो अलग है।
Nice.
तो you know एक ही चीज में आप कितनी वैरायटीज आप ऑफर कर सकते हो।
अगर हम लोग बैग में इसको लगा दे और बस में बैठे हो बोर हो रहे हैं तो
खेल सकते हैं, अपना टाइम पास भी होता है
और मेंटल स्ट्रेस कम होगा।
एग्जैक्टली, दैट्स द बेस्ट पार्ट।
कितना अमेजिंग है ना?
बहुत सुपर है ये। सो यस, दैट्स अबाउट इट। अबाउट एवरीथिंग एल्स,
Yeah, look at them, the owls. They are also saying
Just
we are
moving,
enjoying. Yeah. ना आपके पास तो Iron Man का हैंड भी है।
यस, आयरन मैन हैंड किचन में भी है एंड आयरन मैन हैंड लाइटर में भी
हाँ,
है।
वही।
मतलब जो आपकी मर्जी, आपको जैसा भी पसंद
हाँ,
हो।
अगर जो स्मोक नहीं करते तो उनको वो गिफ्ट नहीं दे सकते।
जरूरत नहीं है तो आयरन मैन
ये
हैंड आप
gift
दे सकते हो, विच इज
हाँ।
बेस्ट। फॉर एग्जांपल द सेम थॉर, जैसा आपने बात किया, थॉर से देखिए,
Oh wow.
दीज आर आवर LED लैम्प्स। So you know they change their color on their own. You can pick that thing in your hand. And you can see now in Naruto. Yes, this is with the acrylic sheet, the imported base, and ये अपना कलर चेंज करते हैं। जैसे हमने बात की थी मून लैम्प के बारे में, these are also one of the very best products for your room decoration. You know इनमें चार्जिंग का कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। You can pick any. अब इसमें मैं आपको बताऊं, you just remove one cord, you pick this one for example, and you put it right in your. You see? तो ये जो प्रोडक्ट्स है, दिस इज गोकू, जो फिगर्स हमने अभी देखे, गोकू की थीम के है ये फिगर्स। दैट इज गोकू अगेन, एंड दिस इज यूवेंटस, अ फुटबॉल क्लब। यू वांट समथिंग इन मार्वल, आई बिलीव आप उसके फैन हो, और लेट्स गो फॉर समथिंग इन बैटमैन दिस टाइम। श्योर? सो इफ आई रिमूव दिस एंड इफ आई पुट इट इन हियर, यू सी बैटमैन। तो इसमें आपको जो डिजाइन चाहिए, these are really good products. And you see, the dealers, आप इसको कैसे भी रखो कोई भी साइड, it won't matter. Really it won't.
And look at the eyes, कितनी amazing है।
Detailing बहुत superb है, बहुत crazy है। I hope आपको लाइट का डिफरेंस समझ में आ रहा हो। Right.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, beautiful
Yes.
and very unique.
वेरी यूनिक गिफ्ट प्रोडक्ट। यू नो कैसा है कि आप किसी न किसी को कुछ यूनिक हमेशा देना चाहते हो, यू नो समथिंग व्हिच इज नॉट इजी टू फाइंड, उन्होंने कभी देखा भी ना हो, एंड समथिंग दैट इज यूजफुल ऑफ कोर्स, यू नो नथिंग लाइक देम। सो ये हमारे है, इसमें हमारे पास थोड़ा और कलेक्शन है, बैटमैन हो गए, एनिमे हो गए,
सारे ऑन नहीं करते आप,
नो प्रॉब्लम।
मेरे फ्रेंड्स को,
For example,
family, my YouTube family,
you might want it in help for your YouTube family.
yeah.
Iron Man of course, that is evergreen, ये कहीं नहीं जाते हैं। And now this is the villain of the Dragon Ball Z series. The same again, he's called Vegeta, but he is my favorite character too. And not the least, Joker.
Wow.
Yeah, so इसमें इतनी डिजाइन है हमारे पास, which people can easily buy for themselves, उनको जो चाहिए।
बहुत amazing है।
Yeah, I'm sorry ये थोड़ा
And I am sorry कि मैंने ये शॉप
It's
पूरा
fine.
ऐसे कर दिया।
It's fine, no worries in it.
Yeah.
Because you know, I want you to take a look at the product.
Yeah.
You know, you understand the detailing and the quality that we are offering.
What is this? What?
Ah yes, what do you think it is?
It's a soap.
No, it's not.
No?
I'll show you what it is. So if you see it right here, I'll give you a hint. This is the ashtray.
Oh.
You hold it,
Lovely.
you just put it on like this, and it's a
Wow.
lighter. It's a
Amazing.
vintage freaking lighter, which you put in your house.
Wow.
Yeah, as a
And
showpiece.
It look like a showpiece.
You can also try.
Wow.
Yes, that is what it is.
Super.
So yeah.
What's the price of this?
This one on store price is around 1200. Online price is 1999.
199.
Good 800 rupees discount.
800 discount.
Yes.
Please do come here.
Please do come here.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
I just love your shop. Now it's time to buy something for myself.
Definitely. Please do
So
that.
yeah.
So Farheen, I just found out one more thing for you. Do you know what is this? No? Actually, it's a keychain and it's a casino slot. A fidget keychain. You know, time था जब fidget spinners थे, yes, उसको आप आगे trigger कीजिए.
Oh wow.
Yes.
Let's see क्या आता है.
You can try your luck all you want. No.
Yeah.
I have one more thing for you.
Super.
You know, if you like it, Valentine's Day theme के हिसाब से, what do you think about the idea? It's a bracelet
Wow.
with a necklace.
Wow.
So that's a couple thingy. I'll show you.
Wow.
Which you can put,
What's the price of this?
and I'll open it.
Wow. What's
Yes,
the price
open.
of this?
So this product at store is only for 450 rupees.
Wow.
Which online आपको यही product 800 to 1000 की रेंज में ही मिलता है. So you know the whole idea
And
है
चीज वगैरह मुझे और महंगा.
बहुत महंगा. ये आप रख सकते हो. Your partner can always purchase it. You know, for example, this is the best Valentine theme gift. You know, Valentine के हिसाब से अभी से करना पड़ता है काम. So example, I'm just sharing my insight with you. Yes.
Oh nice.
That is what it is.
सिल्वर भी होगा ना?
पूरे colors आएंगे. Gold, silver, rose gold, black. Many colors are going to be available. Right? Yeah. How's the quality of it?
बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी.
Yeah. And the
It
stuff.
has a diamond.
Yes, it does. I'll show you one more thing. See. It's a lock thingy. You just have to put your key in here. Move it.
Wow.
That's when it unlocks. Remove the key. Once it locks, it won't unlock like that. So key is a mandatory thing for it to unlock. Oh yeah.
ये girls की list में
Yes.
आएगी.
ये girls की list
diamond.
में आएंगी. And ये जैसा necklace boys like करते हैं. Simple like that. Yeah.
तो गर्ल्स को झगड़ा नहीं करना है,
नहीं,
या तो बॉयज खोलेंगे नहीं,
बिना के आपको
हाँ,
भाग
भाग जाएंगे,
खुलवाते
हाँ।
रहना है इसको कहीं से
कटवाना
झगड़ा
पड़ेगा.
मत
हाँ.
करो, झगड़ा मत करो. Yeah.
तो मुझे ये वाला बहुत अमेजिंग लगा.
Yeah, I'm glad.
I love this.
Okay, a few gifts for you, Farheen. First thing first, it's for your safety.
Oh, thank you.
I would like
But
you
if
to
you
have
have
it.
a gift for that, I want to buy this.
There is no absolute chance in it. You are gonna have it. This is for Chandan, for the great person who recorded everything,
Wow.
and a gift
Thank you.
of Honda Flip
Please,
key.
please, let me pay.
No
Let me
chance.
Let me pay for
I am absolutely sorry. There's nothing gonna happen
I
about
want to
it.
gift him, so please
No.
let me pay.
That's on the house for you guys to come by here. Whatever it is, I'm happy that you gave. And a couple of more products for you.
This is amazing.
Like you're my number one star. That is what I mean, Farheen. You are my number one star.
Sweet of you, Shaiba.
And please drive
This is so
safe.
nice.
Yeah?
Thank you so much. Please
No
take
problem.
At least
Nothing is needed, Farheen. Absolutely nothing. Thank you so much for coming by. Now I'll hand over the products. You're most welcome. I'll put everything in a bag for you so it's easy for you to
Thank
carry
you
it.
so much.
No problem. Thank you for coming here.
Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please do like, share, subscribe.
Please do that.
Yeah, and
But
please
if you
do
next
come.
time you visit the shop, use Farheen's name and you get exclusive discount.
Wow.
My word of it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Please do come here, okay? Bye. Take care.
Chalo, bye guys. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. You too. Take care.